Hey Jordan, my name is Larry Powell. We recently just became friends on Facebook, and I was just kind of looking at all the different businesses that you're helping manage under the Shafran Construction or Shafran. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Construction name, and I was just kind of looking at what you guys had going on, the different services you guys offer. Looking at your websites a little bit, and I noticed you guys definitely have some potential for your guys' websites. I'm not saying they're not, generating clients for you guys at all right now. I know you're heavily involved with the social media side of it, kind of looking through your page. It looks like you're doing something with some TV shows or something like that. So what I wanted to do is just get this quick screencast over to you, kind of outlining the potential you have for your businesses and how you could generate a lot of new clients through your guys' web presence. So looking at your guys' website, I really like the website. I like the layout you guys have for it. My biggest recommendation for you guys would actually be the amount of content you have on this homepage. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is all the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So really beefing up that content, making sure that again with that content you're also including some high search volume keywords, so the search terms that people are actually using to try to find businesses like yours and the services you're offering would definitely help you guys out with those those Google search results, and help you guys pull up in those search rankings as well. So there's a couple tools I use, and the first one is called Ahrefs, and what this allows me to do is look at different search volume keywords, what the competition is for those keywords. So obviously, there's a lot of home remodeling in Los Angeles, but there's currently 350 searches for home remodeling Los Angeles remodeling 300, kitchen remodel Los Angeles, and this is just what I found in 10 minutes looking through stuff. Being in the top spot for one of these, you can count on getting about 33% of that search traffic headed towards your website. So again, there's a lot of potential customers you guys are missing out on right now, just by not developing out these websites a little bit more. So again, looking at home remodeling Los Angeles, there's a couple different things we're looking for here. The GMB or map pack is a great way for you guys to generate a lot of traffic for your guys' business. I did look at your guys' GMB page. You do have a good amount of reviews on here. You had a ton of pictures. My one recommendation for your GMB would be really to build out this description you guys have. I really try to target right about 500 words for this description. And with that, make sure you're including some of these high search volume keywords that you really want to generate, business for. So when people are making those searches, you guys are going to be pulling up in the search results for those. Looking at the competition for this keyword, I don't really include Yelp to be competition, just because Google really does prefer to rank the business owners or small business owners. I know if you're not really a small business, I know you guys have a lot of stuff going on, but Google really does prefer to rank the small business owners over these large national directory websites like Yelp. The main reason for that being that Yelp is in direct competition with Google. Google runs their paid ads and Yelp is in competition with that. And so Google really prefers to rank these small business owners over these Yelp websites. So looking at AM Builders LA, looking at their website, they don't have a whole lot of content on here. They do have a little bit more than you guys, but nothing that's, undoable as far as beating them out. I'm not overly impressed with their website or what they have going on. They do have some nice pictures, but other than that, they don't really have too much going on. Looking at the back end of their website, we're going to head back over to Ahrefs. What we're looking for here is backlinks and referring domains. The best way to describe what a backlink and a referring domain is, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. You have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And that most popular kid's going to decide that, hey, the least popular kid's popular now. So website A is going to link himself to website B, and by doing that, it brings up that popularity of website B. It makes it more popular in Google's eyes. And brings it up in the search rankings. So the more referring domains you have, the better. So currently they have 690 backlinks from 58 referring domains. And the really important part with those referring domains is if they're do follow or not. And these guys only have 44 do follow domains. So that do follow is important because what happens is it gets what's called backlink juice coming back to their website. So 44 do follow domains it's not a lot at all. Definitely doable to pass these guys up. and claim a lot of traffic headed towards your guys' business. And again, this was just what I searched in a short amount of time, and there's a lot out there for all the different services you guys are offering. And looking at all the websites you guys have, it was a pretty similar thing across the ones I was seeing. This is American Welding. You guys don't really have much going on over there at all for backlinks and referring domains. So definitely a lot of potential for your multiple businesses to generate a lot of traffic and really grow your online presence. If you have any questions on any of this, I'd definitely love to talk to you more. Appreciate it. Thank you.